Here's the scenario. You're bringing your staff from a site that's been hit by a disaster to another one of your sites. You need to make sure that they can work comfortably for an extended period of time. Enter cardboard furniture. We think it has potential for DR, so we went to the liberty of testing it for 1 month to see how it would hold up. We bought, assembled and tested a set of flat pack desks and chairs, and then we put them through the daily rigours of office life for 1 month. We had 4 criteria for success: cost, practicality, comfort and resilience. So first, cost. Each chair, like this one that I'm sitting in, costs £19.99. This desk is in sitting height spec and costs £29.99, so not a big cost for most budgets. Secondly, is it practical? The card itself is strong, but when you put it together, the folds need to be exact or it won't slot together perfectly. When that happens, you then need to use brute force. This creates folds and breaks in the card, and this happened for every chair that we put together. With a group of people, a makeshift office can be up in minutes, and when the furniture has served its purpose, you can dispose of it, safe in the knowledge that it's recyclable and eco-friendly. Third was comfort. We actually found the chair surprisingly comfortable, to the extent that our tester never even needed a cushion. If you keep your weight planted, the chair is stable. It does wobble if you shift around on it or sit down at a weird angle. Because of this, some heavier team members weren't particularly keen to use it. The desk is a good height, but shallow underneath. This makes it difficult for the average sized person to fit their knees in. You can buy a standing desk for £34.99, so you could have a mix. And finally, resilience. The chair can support up to 100 kilos, while the desk can support up to 50 kilos. In practice, we were happy to put desktops, laptops, and all manner of general office stuff on the desk. Within a couple of hours of testing, someone spilled a mug of tea, but this didn't weaken the top of the desk, and despite several more spills, it stayed usable. The chair lost some of its rigidity after 4 weeks, however. So, is cardboard furniture a viable solution for disaster recovery? Yes, and no. The chair did well in our tests and stayed usable. It was surprisingly comfortable and only began to lose stability towards the end of the testing period. It ticked all the boxes on paper, but it still failed for us. Several people in the office said they wouldn't be comfortable sitting on the chair because it didn't look strong enough. That's not a problem you want to be dealing with during the DR invocation. The desk's only flaw is its economy legroom. Apart from that, it ticks all of our requirements. It's strong enough to carry laptops and desktops, and it resists the bumps and spills that come from a busy office. Nobody wants to be lugging desks around during a disaster. Cardboard desks are a cost-effective, practical and resilient solution. Just make sure to bring your own chairs.